Hello, cross country warriors and parents. Mr. McDowell here. Wanted to show you a couple things on our website that maybe you didn't know about. We have a lot of different things on our website, a lot of highlights of races and whatnot, a lot of information, self-certification codes, clothing orders done, some different things like that. We have our contact in case you want to reach out to me. We have forms, athletic packets there, race results, gallery, etc. So what I really want to talk to you today about is our nutritional guidelines page. So first of all, let's start with our tips for parents and athletes. So if we go here, this gives tips for you parents to support your athlete. Talks about sleep and rest, nutrition, being a motivator. So check that out. I encourage you to do so. The nutrition part here references our nutritional guidelines on the site, which are here. I got this from the Knoxville cross country coach, who I think does a fantastic job and really looks at nutrition and the caloric intake of youth runners. So these are pretty cool guidelines here for you to look at. Just breaks it down by age, gender, and the reference weight for that those daily calories. So you can see here that even 10 to 12-year-old girls, boys are way above 2,000 calories for youth runners recommended intake. And then it talks about carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, those macromolecules. Anyway, I know that many of these runners are not getting anywhere close to 2,000 calories a day. Coach and I are just always kind of asking, hey, what'd you eat for breakfast? What'd you eat for lunch? Just kind of a casual type of a thing. And we are noticing a lot of runners are hitting walls out there in the training, and not because of their endurance or they're out of shape or anything, but just because they're out of fuel. So I really encourage you parents and kids that are watching to take a look at these guidelines and think about maybe adding some calories to every meal and snack that you have throughout the day to see if that makes a difference in your energy levels. All right, I hope this helps. If you have any questions about nutrition and maybe some ideas for what your kiddo could be eating, I also have on the page here the cross country kitchen, which is down kind of at the bottom here. I don't know if I can even click it, but so anyway, the cross country kitchen, there it is, okay, where I provide super simple recipes for your kiddo to make. So there are YouTube videos. It's just me in my kitchen cooking food, so all throughout the years of cross country. So anyway, that's there. I encourage you to check that out, and I will see you on the course.